Describe a challenging project and how you manage it.
One of the biggest challenging I faced during my placement was a busy Friday night when we hit a large number of orders within a short time. I was assigned to prepare chicken malai and kebabs at that same time while maintaining hygiene and not slowing the team down. I quickly organized my ingredients, cleaned the surfaces in advance, and communicated with the chef to know which order were priority. I worked calmly and systematically prepared and marinated first, the grill and planted. In the end, I managed to deliver all dishes on time, and the chef appreciated my time management. This experience taught me how to stay calm under pressure and work smart, not just fast.